Hello, this is Roger with Destinations by Dale Castillo. We're in Palm Springs, California, and we're staying at the Westin Mission Hills Villas. So we're in we're in Villa 4704. It's a one bedroom. So let's go take a look. As you can tell, it does connect to the villa next door. If you have multiple families staying with you or multiple people staying with you, we do have a full kitchen. So you got full size fridge. Oven, stove, microwave, regular coffee maker. Not a Keurig like a lot of places are using these days, but you do have a regular coffee maker in here. Plenty of storage in the kitchen. Won't open up all the drawers, but you do have place settings. Plates, glasses, silverware, cookingware. You're gonna have multiple, just about everything you need. If you're gonna be cooking for the family, they have it here supplied for you. Do have a dishwasher, and also in the kitchen area they do have a washer and dryer setup, so you'll be able to do your clothes. They do supply enough tide for 2 loads, it looks like. So if you're going to be here for an extended stay, we're only staying here for 4 days, but if you're doing it for extended stay, you have a place to do your laundry. So let's go into the dining room area. Nice big table for 6, easily seating. We also have 2 stools there at the little bar area, or little kitchen area there by the kitchen. You're going to have a living room area where that is a pull-out couch. So again, it's 1 bedroom. So if you have 2 couples staying here or a family staying here, you can pull the couch out for the other couple or for the other kids. We'll have a Bose system as far as your audio goes in here. Nice good sized screen. And a little gas fireplace as well. This door here is going to go to the bathroom. There is your thermostat settings and everything, but I'll show you the restroom here in a minute when we go through the master bedroom. You do have a nice, very large balcony here. We are on the 2nd floor. You are supplied with a gas grill and seating for 4. So this little section, we're in building 47 of the villas, so it is towards the end. It does have a little separate pool right behind the building, so you don't have to go to the main pool if you don't want to, which is down by check-in. So here is the master bedroom. Another fireplace here, good large screen TV, good king size bed, sliding glass door to the balcony. So the balcony does cover the living room area and the bedroom area. Go outside real quick. Quick look at the grounds here. Beautiful view of the golf course. And of course the swimming pool that I mentioned basically services buildings 48, 47, 46, 45 in this area. Alright, let's go back inside. We'll have your closet, of course, with a ironing board, almost standard, and of course we do have a safe down there if you need it. A vacuum sweeper if you decide to vacuum for some reason. I don't know why you'd want to, but it is an option. Going into the bathroom area, you do have a jacuzzi tub, so that is available for you if you like it. It does have this pass-through or this little window going in from the bathroom to the bedroom if I guess you want to see who's sleeping, I guess. Does have the separate toilet room, which is always nice to have that separate. Extra privacy in case someone's if someone's in the shower or messing in the bathroom. You do have the extra toilet room, but Nice large shower, very large shower. Double vanity. So you have the two backlit vanities, the sinks. The gray is the extra bedding for the pull-out couch. So plenty of storage room in here for your toiletries. And then, of course, this is the door going to the living room. And in the living room area, there's some dresser area. So, again, this is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo here in Palm Springs at the Westin Missions Hills Villa. So, if you got any questions, let us know below. Please like and subscribe. Let your friends know. We love traveling. And if you got any questions, we'd love to answer them for you. So, safe travels. Thank you. Bye.